Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you guys how I clean my catfish up before cooking with it or frying it. I'm at my pond trying to get some fish, to just to show you guys how I clean it up. So I have managed to get just 3 out of this pond, but I'm not going to use everything. I'll kill and show you guys how I do it. So in this bowl I have already killed it, so I'm going to the gut, clean it up properly or cut it to my desired sizes. So I didn't use the normal technique I use in killing more catfish. I just had to cut off the head, and now I'll cut it into my own desirable sizes. So here in this bowl I have the ones I want to use, and in another bowl I have the ones I'm going to leave in the deep freezer to use later. So one more thing, I am not going to clean this one in the bowl up like the one I'm going to clean, like the one I'm going to use to show you guys how I clean it. I'm going to keep this one in the deep freezer, and one thing I'm going to do is I'll keep this one without washing it. I'm going to leave the slime on it to preserve it. That's one thing I do, and it has really been helping me. Keeping it in the deep freezer with the slime on it makes it, it preserves it in the freezer. So here, this one I'm going to be washing with first of all I'll wash with very hot water, like boiling water, and when I add the hot water, I'm going to cover it down for few minutes, let's say 5 minutes, so I can get the slime off it. So yeah, this is how I do it. I pour the hot water inside this bowl like so. So many people don't like eating catfish because they prefer when they buy, they clean it up themselves to get all this unwanted slimeness out of it. Well, it took me, a while to start eating catfish, ever since I learned the technique of cleaning it very well. So this is how I do it. Yeah, like so. So I'm going to cover this up now. Can you see the slimes are all coming off? So I'm going to cover this now, leave it for 5 minutes, then I'll come back to show you guys what has come off it. So here we are. It's been 5 minutes already, so let me proceed to the next thing I'm going to do. Can you guys see the colors are different from when I actually killed the catfish? So now let's move to the sink. I'm going to drain off the water now and wash it properly with running water from the tap. I know a lot of people consider this process like a waste of time, but I like doing all this so that I can, be able to eat it with a clear mind. I'm eating something really clean. So this process, if you want to enjoy your catfish, for me, if I really want to enjoy my catfish, this is the process I go through before frying it, before cooking it, or before doing anything with it. Yeah, that reminds me, a lot of people ask this question a lot, like, can we fry catfish? Of course you can fry catfish if you want to. The first time I tried frying catfish, it was amazing. Like, the outcome was shocking. It was amazing. So if you follow this process, you would enjoy every bite of it. So if you're still here, let's keep watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell me what kind of video you want me to upload, and I would see to it. So basically, this is the process I go through every day whenever I need to use catfish in cooking. So yeah, this is it. As you can see, all the slimes are coming off from this fish. This process gives you a very strong catfish whenever you want to cook with it. So can you see the things that came off the catfish? So let's move to the next section. Here I have the fish. The first section is gone, cleaning it with hot water. So now I'm going to be adding my salt, like so. Then I'm going to grab this lime. You can as well use lemon, then squeeze it all over it like I'm doing now. You can skip this process, but this is just what I do in cleaning up my own catfish. If you think this is too much for you, you can skip it, but I would advise you try this process and tell me what you think in the comment section. So this is how I do it. Not necessarily you. I mean, it's a must-try process. I love this process a lot. It gives me more, that thing when you eat that food you like, that joy that comes directly from your stomach, So this is exactly, can you see what I'm doing? Can you see? I wish you can touch this fish now and see how clean it is. I eat catfish in most restaurants those days, and now that I've come to realize this process makes the fish really clean. It gives me that, that fear that makes me never want to eat, catfish pepper soup elsewhere. I wonder if they clean it this way. Even using only hot water helps. It helps it get off all the, sliminess of it. So I'm going to, you can leave this for a few seconds and then you would, rinse it off. So here I've rinsed my catfish off. I wish you can touch this right now to see how fair and clean it is. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.